What's that? Oh, so Tita Roxy sent us that. There's some abanico. Maybe this is for Nanay. Because it's Nanay's birthday this week. And, oh, I think that's for everyone. It's ref magnet. Lalagay yan sa ref.
Yes,
And then,
and this is for the star.
yeah.
And for sleeping.
I don't know what this is. Maybe it's for Tita Roxy. And maybe she can give this to Lola Ruby sometime. And a painting brush. Or maybe this is hers. And a lot of noodles. And then there's, yeah.
And what's this for?
Oh, I don't know. And there's Nola cookie.
Yeah.
From Vietnam, look.
I said that. Let me see. I saw a cookie.
And some Vietnam tea. It's a tea. And some, I don't know what this is. It's some, oh, there's so many keychains from Vietnam. Say Vietnam. And some chape cho cho cho. What's this? Hoatan 3-in-1. And then, oh, look! This is her souvenir from Vietnam. No, that's Tita Roxy's, okay?
Wow. Yuck, Mama, yuck.
Yeah. Maybe we should give it to Lola Wawa. Oh, baka mabasag yan. Takpan mo na. You say hi to Tita Roxy.
Hi, Titi Roxy.